Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an online store with Ecwid. In order to do that, just head over to ecwid.com and click on this get started for free in order to actually so you have the option to sign up using your email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. I'll head over and then use Facebook or Google right here in order to make this more possible and more easier for me. Now from in there, just head over and then wait for this to successfully create an account for you and you should be able to see in here the Ecwid control panel. Now you can see it right here, just head over to in here to your website and then from in there you can click on this edit site right here in order to successfully edit your website created on Ecwid. So on this right here we'll open the editor of Ecwid right. So for this case, you can add sections like headlines, covers, and also you can see this right here. So when you head over and click on a specific part, you can see in here the tagline, titles, and also the images. When you head over and click on different types, you can also click or just set it up according to your liking. Now in here, as you can see, site has been published. It has been published automatically. Now you can head over and then click on this right here in order to see what your site actually looks like once you have seen this. So that's the whole process.